The BYD Yangwang U7 has quickly become one of the most talked about cars in China's automotive industry and across the globe. It's a car that doesn't just aim to compete, it aims to dominate, by blending raw performance with groundbreaking technology. And when a brand claims their luxury electric sedan can survive the most dangerous situations, you know the world is going to put it to the test. Today, we dive deep into the high-speed tire failure crash test, a scenario that strikes fear into drivers everywhere, and explore the cutting-edge innovations hidden inside this engineering marvel. Imagine this: you're cruising down the highway at incredible speeds, the road is smooth, the car is stable, but then, without warning, a tire blows out. For most vehicles, this means instant chaos. Control is lost, panic takes over, and accidents are inevitable. But the Yangwang U7 faces this nightmare scenario head-on. In its official high-speed tire failure test, engineers pushed the U7 into extreme conditions, forcing a sudden blowout at highway velocity. What happened next stunned everyone watching. Instead of veering off course or spinning uncontrollably, the car's advanced stabilization systems kicked in instantly. The vehicle remained surprisingly composed, giving the driver enough control to safely bring the car to a stop. This test isn't just a stunt for headlines, it's proof of how far automotive safety has evolved. BYD has armed the U7 with a groundbreaking system known as the Yisifang platform, a quad-motor setup that gives each wheel independent power control. Unlike traditional cars where one motor or engine drives multiple wheels, this design allows the Yangwang U7 to react to emergencies in real time. The moment a tire loses pressure, the system redistributes torque, adjusts braking, and balances handling within milliseconds. This isn't just safety, it's technology that thinks faster than the human brain. But the U7 isn't only about surviving disasters, it's about redefining what a luxury electric sedan can be. With over 1,000 horsepower on tap, acceleration that rivals supercars, and the stability of all-wheel torque vectoring, this isn't a car that tiptoes into the future. It leaps. Inside, you're greeted with a cabin that blends futuristic design with high-end comfort. Massive digital screens, premium materials, and intelligent software create an environment where the driver feels like they are piloting more than a car. It feels like commanding a machine built for the next era of transportation. The tire blowout test is symbolic of BYD's confidence. Most brands avoid showcasing dangerous scenarios, but here, the company has gone public with the footage, knowing it would shock and impress at the same time. This transparency is part of what makes the U7 such a disruptor. It's not afraid of comparison, not afraid of scrutiny, and not afraid of being challenged. Instead, it thrives under pressure, proving that Chinese automakers are no longer simply catching up to the competition, they are setting entirely new benchmarks. And beyond the high-speed test lies something even more fascinating: the U7's vast ecosystem of technology. Advanced driver assistance systems combine sensors, cameras, and AI to predict hazards before they happen. Its suspension system adapts to every surface, giving you comfort when you need it and performance when you demand it. And because it's electric, it offers both zero emissions and the promise of clean, sustainable luxury. The Yangwang U7 represents more than just a car. It's a declaration that the future of automotive safety and technology is being rewritten before our eyes. From extreme crash testing to breathtaking performance, this machine embodies the idea that a luxury sedan can be fast, safe, intelligent, and forward-looking all at once. So, the next time you hear about a high-speed tire blowout test, remember, most cars fail it. But the BYD Yangwang U7 not only passed, it turned it into a demonstration of power, precision, and trust. This is just the beginning of what's to come, and the automotive world will be watching closely. Because if one thing is clear, it's that BYD isn't just building cars, they are building the future. And now, the question is simple: are you ready for it? The fascination with the BYD Yangwang U7 doesn't stop with crash testing or its luxury positioning. What truly sets this vehicle apart is how it blends high performance with intelligent design. Most electric sedans on the market today fall into one of two categories. They're either performance-driven, focusing on raw power, or they lean toward comfort and luxury. The U7 dares to merge both worlds seamlessly. Take its powertrain, for example. With 4 independent motors, the car has control over each wheel unlike any traditional system. This is not just for safety, it's for performance. Imagine cornering at high speed. Most vehicles would rely on traction control systems, braking one wheel or reducing power to keep stability. The Yangwang U7 does something radically different. It applies power exactly where it's needed. The result is not just control, it's agility that feels like bending the laws of physics. This quad-motor setup also opens the door to something extraordinary: tank turns and crab walking. Yes, features we once thought of as gimmicks in concept cars are now real-world usable tools. The Yangwang U7 can rotate in place like a tracked vehicle or slide diagonally into a parking space. These are not party tricks, they are functional demonstrations of just how advanced the engineering has become. Then there's the aerodynamics. At first glance, the U7 looks like a sleek luxury sedan, elegant and imposing, but hidden beneath the design are countless hours of wind tunnel testing. Every line, every curve, every intake serves a purpose. Reducing drag doesn't just make the car more efficient, it allows higher top speeds, longer range, and more stability during emergency maneuvers. Combined with active aero elements, this sedan adapts its shape to conditions on the fly, further boosting performance and efficiency. Inside, the focus is just as revolutionary. We're not just talking about leather seats or wood trim. The Yangwang U7 uses intelligent materials, sustainable, lightweight, and luxurious to the touch. The cabin is infused with advanced noise cancellation, making even high-speed travel whisper quiet. The central infotainment system is driven by one of the most advanced chips ever fitted into a car, allowing AI-powered interactions, predictive navigation, and even real-time monitoring of driver health. Imagine your car detecting fatigue before you even realize it, or adjusting the cabin atmosphere to keep you alert and safe. That's the kind of future the U7 is offering today. But the true genius lies in its balance. Despite being loaded with futuristic technology, the car doesn't overwhelm the driver. It feels intuitive, natural, and seamless. The car adapts to you, instead of forcing you to adapt to it. And yet, for all its luxury and innovation, the U7 also carries something much deeper: a sense of national pride. For years, global automakers looked at China as a market to conquer. Now, with vehicles like the Yangwang U7, the tables are turning. China isn't just a market anymore. It's becoming the birthplace of the world's most daring innovations. When the U7 undergoes tests like the high-speed tire blowout, it isn't just a technical exercise. It's a demonstration of confidence, a way of saying to the world, we trust our engineering. We trust our vision. And we're ready to prove it, no matter the risk. And that's what makes this story so much bigger than just a single crash test. It's about an industry on the rise, about a shift in global automotive power, and about a car that symbolizes this transformation better than anything else. The story of the BYD Yangwang U7 is more than just numbers, specs, or even daring crash tests. It's about confidence. It's about showing the world that a car built in China isn't just good enough. It can be world-class, revolutionary, and capable of outperforming anything in its segment. The high-speed tire failure test was never just about safety. It was about making a statement that the future belongs to those who innovate boldly, test fearlessly, and trust their technology to stand up when it matters most. In a world where luxury sedans often compete on superficial features, bigger screens, more horsepower, louder branding, the U7 dares to redefine luxury itself. Luxury is not just comfort. Luxury is peace of mind, knowing your car can protect you in the most dangerous scenarios. Luxury is having technology so advanced that it feels invisible, working silently in the background to keep you safe and in control. Luxury is driving with the confidence that no matter what happens, your machine has your back. What BYD has done with the Yangwang U7 isn't just an achievement, it's a warning shot to the entire automotive industry. From Germany to Japan to America, every major automaker has been put on notice. Because the days of dismissing Chinese cars as second best are over. Now, the innovation, the daring tests, the game-changing technology, it's all happening here. And the world has no choice but to pay attention. The high-speed blowout test showed us one truth: the Yangwang U7 is not afraid of the impossible. And in that moment, it stopped being just another car. It became a symbol of resilience, of cutting-edge progress, and of the new automotive era that's unfolding before us. So, when you think about the future of driving, when you imagine what safety, luxury, and performance will look like in the years ahead, don't look back. Don't wait for others to catch up. Look at what's already here. Look at the BYD Yangwang U7. Because this is the beginning of a new chapter, and the road ahead has never looked so electrifying. And if you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of cutting-edge automotive technology, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more groundbreaking stories, and join us as we continue to explore the machines that are changing the way we move, the way we live, and the way we see the future. The Yangwang U7 isn't just a car, it's the future, and the future is here.